Bringing Cybake into the flow of how we run our wholesale production at Crust means that we were able to create a better system for our customers in addition to our staff. So now our customers are able to go on and they can see everything there is available to order online on their platform, rather than having to reach out to us, wondering if something is in season or not, wondering if something's available or not. Rather than having to send out an email if we're short on something or have to cut it from the menu, we are able to just turn it off in Cybake. So it's a communicationless way for us to make sure everything is accurate and up to date for our customers at all times.
I had multiple systems for, like our dough production, right? And our baking schedule. And then an Excel sheet for our accounts, enter their orders and send it. And then last minute adjustments and everything. So trying to accommodate customers. And, it's a lot of moving things in multiple systems where that takes a lot of time. And then I would mess up numbers a lot, transporting things around. And so with Cybake, it's all just streamlined in one line. I'm running my reports for our dough production, fulfilling our wholesale orders, changing, our orders for our cafe. And I'm running all those things at 1 to 3 o'clock, so that, we're getting ahead on our mise en place, our prep schedules. And so it's nice formatting of just being able to go into weekly orders or option of, orders by product or by account, by day, by week. And so it just gives me a lot of options for viewability, visibility, workability.
Those of you that are in the bakery business know that there are a lot of moving parts in operating a bakery. So if there's a software out there that can help eliminate mistakes and improve efficiency and reduce costs, I'm all for it. And Cybake has filled all of those holes for us that were necessary to make us a better bakery.
We do use our online ordering platform through Cybake, which is really helpful for a lot of our customers. Some of our wholesale customers like the ease of just being able to log into a website, put their orders in, and not have to communicate with everybody. Cybake luckily has a backend that supports that. What I wasn't prepared for is how much Cybake has really helped us scale. When we originally stepped into our bakery, we were baking about 3 times less than what we're baking now. And that development has been rather rapid. Cybake's ability to help you scale and help you grow, and a number of features that they have to help you tackle larger mixes and stay organized. I would have to go through and change a bunch of stuff on a bunch of different spreadsheets, and just the amount of data entry, I would be at it for 15 or 20 minutes. Whereas with Cybake, I can go in, I can change a number in 30 seconds, and that's automatically going to propagate out to all of our products. The thing that I was really impressed with is that it wasn't like taking my way of doing things and shoehorning it into Cybake. It was, okay, we're going to look at how you operate. This is how we're going to manipulate our software so that it works the way that you are already working. Even just in my first couple initial demos, I missed the fact that how much it was going to become an integral tool for our day-to-day success in the bakery.
With Cybake, we are able to basically have a cutoff time in the system. So that way for the bakers, their day is not getting interrupted. They're not being asked to add on products last minute. So it streamlined the production for the bakers where they come into work, they know right then and there what they need to make. So I think they quickly embraced it just because it's easier to read also the production printout from Cybake versus a complicated Excel sheet. For any other bakeries or bakers looking for a program like Cybake or anything even similar to it, I would say there's 3 main points that were a no-brainer for me. That first point would be that it absolutely streamlines your production. You can print it all in one spot. You can get reports. You're able to just have clarity on your exact orders. The second point I would make is that it's extremely user-friendly and great for especially for wholesalers. So if you have a big wholesale part of your business, I think that it's really great in helping your wholesalers. And the third point I would make is it's easier on your staff. It's easier to communicate with the staff. It's better to have, not only your retail special orders, but your wholesale all in one place, and the numbers are all right there. So, you can see sales by product, sales by customer, and all those fine details in the reporting part of Cybake.
We've gotten a lot of customers that have asked us beforehand about like being able to order online by themselves, and that was something that we weren't able to offer before Cybake. And we've recently, since we've started with Cybake, we've been able to do that, offer that as one of our ordering components, and it's been something that's really helped us. In terms of labor, we've definitely utilized Cybake in that aspect. We've reduced our labor and production by about 5% since then. So, and that's basically just being able to look at all of our products and seeing what is the least laborious and where we're making the highest margins.
I would highly recommend Cybake to other bakeries. I think it even has a lot more to offer than we're even using. Like I said, we predominantly use it just for ordering and invoices, but it's been monumentally helpful to us and to our customers in making sure that we're delivering quality product to them and consistency in our communications and what we offer.
So I was taking a lot of time. I was making mistakes. So Cybake really streamlined that, and I have very few mistakes with my incoming wholesale orders now.
I would highly recommend Cybake. They're affordable to use. They've eliminated a lot of the nagging problems that we had in the past with errors, the extra staffing we had that had to take all of the orders by phone calls or emails. And anytime you have those types of processes that are handled by an individual, there's a chance of an error. Doing the formulas every day for our baking, which, determining how much dough we need to make, that changes every day. Well, those mixers don't have to worry about that anymore. All of that's done for them. All of the allocation of how many of each type of dough is done for them. So they just come into work, look at the sheet, start weighing out, and are confident that there aren't mistakes that would fairly often happen.
I recommend Cybake to anyone that's looking to grow their bakery. For us, it's really helped us save time and focus our energies towards the products that we make the most profit on, and basically what we're the most efficient with, especially with the costing aspect of it. That's really helped us. So yeah, I would 100% recommend Cybake.
See that Cybake's been built on recommendations coming from bakers like me. And I know that whenever I interface with somebody either on the tech support side of things or any of the other people that we interface with Cybake, I feel like they actually care about us as customers and they listen to what we have to say, and the ability to be able to partner with somebody that's still nimble enough to be able to take in that kind of feedback, and you can have your own little impact on the software is pretty cool. I would recommend Cybake to other bakers.